Number 259 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So tungkol pa rin sa Venn diagram. So the probability for the ECE board examinees from a certain school to pass the subject mathematics is 3/7 and for the subject communications is 5/7. If none of the examinees fails both subjects and there are 4 examinees who pass both subjects, find the number of examinees from that school who took the examinations. So choices 20, 25, 30, and 28. So try nyo pong sagutan muna bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so pause lang po. Okay, so bago tayo mag-start, so mag-promote lang ako ng mabilisan lang. So ayan, so ako po ay licensed financial advisor. Kung meron po diyang gustong kumuha ng life insurance ay mag-message lang po kayo sa akin. So habang mas bata po, mas okay dahil mas mura. Okay, so let's start. Sagutan na natin ang number 259. So ilan ang variable ba natin dito? Ang variable natin ay subject, no? So the probability for the ECE board examinees from a certain school to pass the subject. So subject yung variable natin dito. Mathematics, so ang probability daw ay 3/7. And for the subject communications, ang probability to pass ay 5/7. None of the examinees fails. So walang nag-fail. So ang ito-drawing lang natin, dalawang circle lang. Pwedeng wala ng rectangle sa labas. And there are 4 examinees who pass both subjects. Find the number of examinees from that school who took the examination. So mag-drawing lang tayo ng dalawang circle. Itong una ay mathematics. And then pangalawa ay communications. Okay, so may intersection sila. So i-assign natin ano bang hinahanap. Find the number of examinees from that school who took the examination. So ilet natin na X yan. Let X number of students who took the examination. So ibig sabihin yung total na kumuha ng exam, yan yung ilalagay natin dito sa tatlong area na ito. Okay, so yun yung magiging X natin, yung total. Okay, so lagyan natin ng mga numbers ito or expression. So ang sabi, if none of the examinees fails both subjects and there are 4 examinees who pass both subjects. So itong intersection nila, meron daw 4 pass both subjects. Okay, and then ang given na natin dito, 3/7 daw ang probability nung school na yan to pass the mathematics. So dito, lalagyan natin ng 3/7. Imo-multiply natin yung 3/7 dito sa X yung kalahatan. 3/7X number of students who took the examination. So 3/7X, ima-minus natin itong nasa gitna. Okay? Kasi itong part na ito, yan, itong part na ito ay only. Only yan. So merong both dito na 4. So 3/7 times X minus 4. And then ito naman kabila, 5/7 daw. So therefore, we have 5/7 times X minus yung nasa gitna ulit na 4. And then i-add natin yung tatlong quantities na yan or expression. Equal dapat siya dito sa hinahanap natin na X. Okay, so therefore we have X is equal to 3/7X minus 4. Ito yung math only. And then plus yung gitna natin, 4. And then plus, ito namang communication only ay 5/7X minus 4. Then just solve for X. Solve for X tayo. So itong negative 4 plus 4, makakancel lang yan. And then we have X equals, i-add natin itong 3/7X plus 5/7X. So since similar fractions, parehang 7 ang denominator, add lang ang numerator. So 3 plus 5, so we have 8/7X minus 4. So just solve for X. So meron tayong denominator na 7. Multiply muna natin both sides by 7 para mawala ang denominator natin. So cancel na itong 7. I-distribute kasi natin ito. So dito sa una, makakancel lang itong 7. So we have 7X dito sa left side. And then we have cancel out yung 7. So we have 8X minus 4 times 7. So that is equal to 28. So therefore, solve for X. So pagsamahin natin itong 7X at 8X, lipat lang itong 7X sa kabila. Tapos itong negative 28, lipat natin sa kabila. Okay? Dahil, so we have negative 28, magiging siyang 28 is equal to, just copy 8X itong 7x lipat sa kabila magiging minus 7x. So therefore, 28 is equal to 8x minus 7x is x. So the answer is letter D, 28. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. Kung may math question po kayo, ay i-comment nyo lang po dito sa aking channel or i-PM nyo sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review para sa board exam ng Engineering Mathematics. Bye-bye and God bless.